Welcome back. On the end of the first video, I said I was going to switch over to my laptop because it works better using a laptop to do this last part. But I was having some technical difficulties, so I switched back on the phone. But it will only work for me because I've already have my account set up. But if this is the first time you set up your account, you do going to need a desktop or a laptop to complete this part. So the fact that my Interact was already set up and connected to my account was way easier to do it. So I couldn't show that part since mine has already been set up, and also I deleted it and I couldn't get on my laptop to do it. So it's pretty simple if you're gonna do it. If you can't figure it out, I'm gonna put a video in a link that will show you step by step exactly how to do it. So I want to get that out of the way. If anybody getting confused, go down in the descriptions and there's a link there you can click on to watch that part of the video, how to set up your Interact. You just have to make sure it's Interact transfer, nothing else. It's going to ask you to add payment. It's going to say banks and all other stuff, but what we're using is Interact, so make sure you set it up that way. Other than that, everything else worked out perfect. So let's get into the video. Hello and welcome back to Finance 101. So today, on the last video, I showed you step by step how to sell your crypto in Trust Wallet and then transfer your money from Trust Wallet into Binance. And now that we have our money into Binance, we want to transfer that money from Binance to P2P. So what is P2P? P2P is a peer trading account. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer our money from the Binance into P2P. That way we can deposit the money into our bank account versus Interact or email transfer. So if you come down to your main, your main screen on Binance, it's going to look like this. So I'm on the pro version, and if you're on light and you want to get to pro, all you got to do is you go up here and click on your picture over here. So you click the picture and you see how you say Binance Lite over here. So I will switch it over. I switch it over. Now, when I switch it over, I'm on the light one right now. But it's a lot more easier if you use the pro version for doing this. So I go back in again and switch back to pro. I just have to switch it back off, not being pro. So it's the pro version and I'm on the home screen. So what you're gonna do now is you have to look for your wallet, and your wallet's on the bottom right hand corner right here. So you click on your wallet, and right when you click on your wallet, you can see that I have the BNB I transfer over here. 1 BNB is worth 763 Canadian and 24 cents. So all you have to do from here on is go transfer. So you see deposit here, withdraw, transfer. So we're gonna go to transfer right here. You're gonna transfer, and as you can see, it's saying that it's a transfer over here, and it's saying from spot wallet to P2P wallet. So the only thing we have to change over here is down here, it's saying BTC, I think that's Bitcoin. So we want to change to BNB. So you just click over here and you switch it over to, you look for the BNB. There's a bunch of other stuff here. So the BNB we're looking for is right here, BNB with a 1 share inside. So you go to BNB, and then over here is the amount you want to sell. So I have 1 in there and I want to sell all of it, so I can just press max over here. But say you had maybe two or three, only want to sell one, you can just manually type in one over here, this side. So next thing we do is we transfer it. You press transfer, and it said that you have successfully transferred your asset to your P2P wallet. Start trading now. So I don't want to trade now. I want to withdraw my money out. So it's okay. I'll just go cancel. And if you come back here now and you go over here to P2P, if you click on it, you're going to see that down here, the money we just transferred is right here. The one over here. So if you go back to your spot wallet over here and you click on here, you're going to notice that you don't have the money there anymore. So where's the B2B? BNB. So the money is no longer here, but and the BNB has moved from here. So anyways, we go back to P2P here, and the money's over here. So what we need to do now is we have to go and sell it now. So you have to sell it. You have to go sell your Canadian dollar to P2P person who's willing to buy it, and they will deposit money into your bank account, and then you can release them the money. So we're gonna sell it now. So to sell, all you're gonna do is go to P2P trading. So you click on P2P trading, and it'll bring you here. So again, you're gonna see all the money that you can sell over here, up here. Well, this one might be particular just for Canadians, that this is all the currency that you can sell to receive your Canadian dollar. So you can sell USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, and DAI. So we are selling, we're not buying. So up here, we're gonna change it to sell. We click on sell. It look a little different now, and it's a filter up here, right in the top right hand corner. We go to the filter to filter some stuff out. You use a filter. So what we want to do is we're gonna sell in the Canadian dollar. So here, Canadian dollar, payment wise, we don't want to go to the bank. We want Interact e-transfer. So you check e-transfer, and down here, the country or region, we want it in Canada. So you put Canada here, and then you can check down here, show only ads from this machine. So we're gonna check it on, only the ads. And on the bottom, you're gonna click yes to set everything. So when we come here now, we're not gonna see anything because we haven't choose B2B. That's what we did. So click on B2B. B2B. Okay, let's go back and see if we can change it. Something happened. It's showing some sign over there. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so change that, take out only from those people and see what happened. Okay, so it's showing nothing. So let's go back again and reset everything the way it was and see what happens now. Okay, it's back again. Okay, we can manually do it when we get there. So we're gonna switch it over to the B2B, BNB, sorry. So you got BNB. Now we see all the sellers over here. So the beauty about this is the first one has the highest money, and as you go down, you can see the second one goes down a little bit, all the way down. And we are trying to sell $700 worth. So I guess our lucky day, so we can go for the first one, try to get the most out of our box. So what we're gonna do is we're going to check the percentage. So this person has done 993 trades and he has 95.11%. If you come down to the next one, he hasn't done no trade, so I'll be careful selling to someone who hasn't done any trade. I don't know if I don't have any credibility to sell it to him. But if you move down a little bit, the next person has 100% sell. And you also have to pay attention to down here the limit. So this $400 to $3,000, and the second one is 300 to 1,000. So depending how much money you're willing to sell, you might have to move all the way down. I think the lower, well, this guy here has 1,000 to 2,500. Yeah, but the price goes down. So I'm gonna take the first one. I think 95% is okay. So I'm gonna click sell, and okay. So here, I think I got 20 seconds to something to sell. So what do I do? Go all and select payment method. Okay. If this is your first time doing, you're gonna have to set your payment because mine's already set, but that's simple. You just enter your email address and your name, everything should be okay. So then I'm gonna go to sell, and now the person has 14 minutes and 58 seconds to send me the money. So while I'm waiting, you can, while I'm waiting, you can talk to the person down here. So I'm waiting for him to send me the money. When he send the money, I can confirm and release him the money. So I'm waiting now, and it said identify. Okay, so I'm waiting now for the person. Okay, so after transferring the fund, the system will release the crypto after the seller confirms that the payment has been received. So I'm waiting for them to deposit the money into my bank account, and when it does get deposited, I will just go down here and confirm over here, say release. So right now it's just a waiting game. So I got 14 minutes waiting for the person to send me the money to my bank account. And I don't know if I should say this, it's as simple as that, but it's pretty simple when you get hang of it. If you follow this step by step, everything should be okay. So I'm just waiting right now. I'm gonna stop the video, and when it has been confirmed, I'll come back and continue. I might have to wait for 40 minutes though. I'm gonna make the video too long. So as you can see, if you go up here to this little dot over here, the little messaging thing, if you click on it, it's gonna open and give you a little bit tips about before paying. I guess you gotta be careful. You gotta read all the details. I'm gonna read the details here, but say you have successfully placed an order, so waiting for the buyer to pay. So he already said hi to me, where he said, okay, hi, thank you for selling to us. So I can say something like, no problem, just waiting, just waiting. I don't really want to mention any names of what we're doing here, so I just waiting. And when he does confirm that he has sent the payment, and I make sure that the money's in my bank account, then I will release the money to him. When he does say he's going to send it, okay, see, it just came in that he already released the money. So, and I just got another message up here saying the buyer has marked that the order has been sent. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go in my bank account to make sure the money's in, and I'll come back and release it. Okay, I just went in my bank account and I have auto deposit. So the money went straight in, but If you don't have auto deposit, you still come up here to the little icon up here where it says, okay, sent. I want to ask him, just put password. Or what is the password? They'll tell you the password to get your money. But since my auto deposit is already in, so I just come down here now and go to confirm receipt. And then it's going to ask me a bunch of, if I'm sure this and that. So please be sure to log in. Okay, confirm payment received. Okay, so I'll click on here. I just click here to confirm that I've been received. I'm going to go confirm. And then I'm going to send mobile text here to make sure it's me. It's the last step you have to do. So the text just came in. Came in. I'll copy this. And come back. And I just have to paste it here. And after I paste, I just press submit. And just like that, I just received my money. And this is the best way to receive your money from Binance. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a like on the video. I'm also going to make other videos on how to deposit money into your Binance account and how to transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet to buy things over there. So bye for now, and always take charge of your money. Bye bye. Now.